through shadows, the road feels so long, but a whisper reminds me where I belong. Trust in the Lord, it's my guiding song. Trust in the Lord with all your heart.
Now, let's walk through the steps together and create this beautiful gospel music video. If you already have your image or know how to generate one, then you can skip this part. I'm going to show you how to do it for free. So you're going to download the Gemini app and make sure that you have the Nano Banana tool clicked. And then you're going to upload your image of you or your gospel singer, and then you're going to paste in a prompt. Now I have a black woman stands at the front of the church. She has a choir in the background. They're wearing choir robes, and this is the image that it gave me. So not too bad, and this was free to create. So it has a whole bunch of people in the choir. It also has her singing in the front. Now what you're going to do is download it to your phone if this is the image you want. So the image I'm using today is from the video you just seen. She also has a microphone and a choir in the back. Now we need to create the song. So we come over to Suno AI. Everyone uses Suno to create songs. It's amazing. It's cheap. I love using it. So you're going to click the music button, the orange one down at the bottom. Now, it brings you over to this prompt area. Now you can describe your song or you can add lyrics. What I'm doing today is the simple way, and I'm just going to describe my song. So we are indeed making a gospel song. So I'm going to put in gospel song. And then I'm going to go over to my Bible app so I can choose a verse that I would like to make a song today. So you're going to click discover, and then it shows you topics from the Bible like love, anxiety, anger, hope. It shows a whole bunch of them, and you can choose, and it will show you all the verses from the Bible in one topic. Now you click see all right at the top, and it shows you all of them. So you can choose any one you want. I think I'm just going to choose the top one just to keep this more simple so I can show you how to do this. And then I'm going to copy and I'm going to paste it in the Suno prompt after I said gospel song. And then I'm going to go down and I'm going to create. It doesn't need lyrics. You don't need to do anything like that. Just click create. Then it's going to create me 4 songs. Now, the best songs are the ones that say V5. So this is the first song. And yes, it does have lyrics, the choir. It also has her singing, which is really good too. And then I think I'm going to choose this one. And then they have this song, which also has a choir and her singing as well. Once you choose which song you're going to use, you're going to click the 3 little dots on the side of the song. And then it's going to ask you to download the song, and then you're going to download it as an MP3 audio because that's how we're going to use it. Then it will download it straight to your phone. Now we need to make the audio tracks for the choir and the singer. So we come on over to VN, which is a free mobile editing app. You do need to upload an image as a base because you can't delete it. Then you can upload your song. You're just going to click the music note, and then you're going to click music, and then you're going to click the 3 little lines in the corner right there, and then you're going to click file app. Now your song is going to pop up, and you're going to export it into your VN library. And there it is. You click extract it from video, and then you click use. Now it only shows 30 seconds because that's how long I made the image. So we're just going to click that in, and now it's on top of the image. Once it's there, what we're doing is creating an audio track for the choir and an audio track for her. So where the choir starts and then where she starts singing, that's where we're going to split the audio track. So as you can see right here is where she starts. So we're just going to split it about here. Now we're creating her one first. As you can see, it goes all the way to the end. So it's all her singing. We don't want the choir singing there. So we're going to turn down the choir's part so that the only thing you hear is her singing. And as you can see, the track is still there. So it levels up what I'm going to show you next on Dzine. Once you are done, you're going to click save. And the best part about VN Editor is that you can save the audio only, which is what we need. So you're just going to export it and you're going to name this one singer because this audio track is just her singing on it. This is the one for her. Now you're going to go back and you're going to turn back up the choir's part and you're going to turn down her part where she's singing. Now, if you're doing the full song, you're going to do the exact same method. So if you're creating the singer's track, you make sure all hers are up or his and all the other parts are down. If you're doing the choir's part, you make sure all the choir's is up and all the singers is down. And then you're going to name this one choir. Now you're going to come over to Dzine on mobile. Yes, you can use it on mobile now. If you can't access it, the video up in the corner shows you how to. So what we're going to do is click lip sync, and then it brings you over to the studio for lip syncing. And now you can upload an image or a video. Even if you upload an image, it still shows movements. So I'm going to upload this image right here. And then what you're going to do now, this part is tricky so that the hands move when she sings. But you don't want them to move too fast. Like, look at this. So the hands are moving too fast to the song. So when you're on Dzine, make sure you click her for the singer, and then you're going to click 3 other choir singers in the group. Doesn't matter who, doesn't matter when. You can only click up to 4 people. So once you're done, you click next. Now what you're going to do is upload the audio track of the singer's part that I showed you on VN. Now her part is there, and now you're going to upload the choir's track 3 times. So the same track 3 times for each choir singer. Don't worry, it will show all of the choir singers singing. This method is going to make the hands go with the song, and it's going to show better lip syncing just for this. So what it's going to sound like is this. So it's going to show the choir's part, and then it's going to go right into her singing. When you're done, make sure that you're on pro, not normal, because you do want movements. Then you click generate, and then you get this video. Now, I'm going to show you. It does show it a little bit small, so I am going to download it so I can show you. You're just going to click the download right there, and then it will save to your phone. And once it's saved, this is what the video will look and sound like. Don't worry, I am going to show you the full video, but I wanted to show you the hands, how slow they are going. So the song matches the hands. Now, I am going to show you the full video. Dzine does only lip sync up to 30 seconds. So if you want to do a full song, you're just going to have to do it a couple of times. But here is the full video. If you want these prompts and 100 plus more, they're all inside my AI creator program, linked in the description.
I'm walking through shadows, the road feels so long, but a whisper reminds me where I belong. Trust in the Lord, it's my guiding song. Trust in the Lord with all your heart. Don't lean on the wisdom that falls apart. Acknowledge His ways, He'll light the dark. Trust in the Lord. Trust in the Lord.
So even though us mobile creators on a budget are limited, we always find a way to make it work. And if I can do it right here from my phone, you can too. Stick around, subscribe, and let's keep creating together.